Good morning, Bastien from BVN. Here we are looking at lot 25 in a development called Santa Fe that we have promoted now in exclusivity. So about like 30 lots. So here is good because you have like a good access road. It's a gated community. You have like a pedestrian way cleaned. 3 coconut trees with already about like 30 coconut each. So some trees around, and you have like a gated garden on the back. So only 4 houses for now. We are starting one pre-construction, but it will start in January of next year. Lot is like 500 square meters, so an eighth of an acre. It's a price per square meter, so I don't remember how big it is. I think it's like 470 square meters, which is a bit less than an acre. So here you have already installed on the lot water system from a well on the property. And next to us you have like a house tower with 30,000 liters of water. And just there you have the transformators from DSUR, from the national company, so to connect yourself. So all the connections are underground. You see, so the water and the power come from the grey tube just over there. So I show you that because I compare price, and here we are like very competitive. We'll put the price and the exact size of the lot linked on the video. But yeah, so we are in between Peñarrota beach and Remanso beach. So South San Juan, it's 2.5 kilometers from town. And it's a safe location, good location, with good owner, good developer.